Hi, my name is Yao. I'm one of the developers of Open Data Kit, or ODK. Our team is building a set of open source tools for data collection, and I wanted to show you a demo of ODK Collect, our mobile client for the Android platform. I need to launch the application, so I'm going to wake up the phone. Once the phone is up, I can see the list of applications and select ODK Collect. I manage forms, and we see there are no forms. I'm going to add a form. We can add forms automatically from the SD card. In this case, the SD card is empty, so I'm going to download a form from my website, and I think it's in the forms directory. I'm going to click OK when it's done. Once the form is downloaded, it shows up in my list. I can now go back and start to enter data. I can choose the form I just downloaded, and I use the touchscreen UI on the phone, so I can swipe my finger at the bottom to go to the next question. John Smith is loaded from the form itself. I don't like it, so I'm going to delete it and add something different. I can then swipe to go next. This question is required, so if I swipe to go next, it won't let me. I can try again. I'm going to select no, swipe to go next, and then type in the address. Household information is the group that this question belongs to. So I'm going to swipe to go next. And now the zip code information also belongs to the household group. And this one requires a number, and I can type a wrong number, but it won't let me. I need to delete it a little bit and change it to something that's more appropriate, and then I can go next. I can also do checkboxes. I'm going to select one. If I change my mind, I can swipe my finger to actually go backwards. I'm going to go back and back to this question, and this time I'm going to select yes. We support conditional branching, so I get a whole new set of questions when I click yes. Let's see if we can read the location from the phone's internal GPS. It takes a little bit, but there it is. That's our location. So it's actually pretty quick. I swipe to get to the next question, and you notice that the progress bar at the bottom is increasing. I rotate, and let's see if I can take a picture. The emulator puts in a very small picture. I'm going to select it, but it works much better on the phone. It's a much bigger picture. Swipe. I'm now in the repeat section, so I can add infinite people to this household. I'm going to type this person's name, Susan. I swipe, and if I don't like this view, I can rotate again. And let's see if I can enter a wrong birthday. I cannot put dates into the future, so I can then pick a more reasonable date. I swipe to go next. This person's color, radio button, select one. If I don't like it, I can clear it. I can select yellow instead. And there it is. And I swipe to go next. I can add another household member. So you can now see that household member in the parentheses there's now 2. I pick another date. And then I can swipe to go next. Again, the progress bar increases. This time, I want to change the language. If your form supports multiple languages, we do as well. Also, we can do Spanish. We can do French as well. If you want to put that in the form, notice the accents work great. And then Swahili, which is pretty popular as well. We support all the languages that you want to put in your form. You can then swipe to go next. We don't want any more household members, so that's it. We can hit save data, and then our data is saved to the SD card. So that's it. Thanks.